Hello! Oh, that was a bit loud, wasn't it? Right, I've got a snoring dragon. Now this one is a belated Christmas present, and I've done it because I've got an order to post out that's nearly finished. I just have to do varnishing, and I couldn't send it out without sending this person a Christmas present, so I've had to sit and make this today. That's all. I've done 2 of them actually. But it needs a bit of colour. So what I've gone and done is I made a dinosaur sit on his back, look. Oh, look! He's got a dinosaur riding on his back. I think he's that good. And to add a bit more colour, I'm going to give him a disease. Stick his disease on. I don't know what type of disease it is, but I'm sure the owner will come up with something rather good for a name of it. And it's going to spread to his nozzle. Underneath his chinny chin. On his forehead. Can you still see? And down on his tail, it's all over this side, I think. This disease. Maybe it's blown on him. It has, it's blown on him from the side. It's an airborne. It's an airborne disease. Poor chap. Stick one up there. And can I get one on there? Will that stay? Yeah, he's got one and all, look. I need the trademark love heart. I can't see, it's too far away. So he's finished, he can be baked, and then I can post this order out maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so whether I come into work or not, I don't know. But if not tomorrow, then it'll be definitely getting posted out on Monday. Because with the same order, it's there's quite a few things. So there you go. Speak to you later. I'm off. See ya. Bye.